Welcome to part 4 of the video course. I'm Dre with Time of Dre, and now it's time to get into the ConvertSocial platform and how you can get started with affiliate links today. ConvertSocial is a global affiliate marketing network with headquarters in Germany with an aim to help bloggers and influencers find their dream brands and start earning money on all of their social media platforms, including places like YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, Twitter, Snapchat, LinkedIn, and more. But here's the most exciting part. They actually have over 100,000 different brands on their platform right now that you can partner with without having a certain number of followers. Moderation, deadlines, all the things we don't like, right? Even small blogs can be monetized with the ConvertSocial platform. They partner with incredible brands. Yes, brands you know, like iHerb, Nike, Dyson, Farfetch, Sephora, Kohl's, Romwe, Boohoo. More importantly, in categories like beauty, lifestyle, travel, kids, sports, and fashion. I love this story. A female Instagram influencer, she was doing a lot of promos and sales. She had around 500,000 followers now, but back when she first got started, she had around 100K and wasn't really monetizing her platform. And so she started working with ConvertSocial and getting those affiliate referral links. And now almost all of her income comes from using the CS platform to promote links to her audience. Yes, she has a large following, and so that's a sizable income, but that is what you have available to start building right today when you start using these links and putting them out to your audience. So, are you ready to start monetizing your social? Let's get into the platform. Your first step is to log into the platform. You have two choices. You can either log right in if you already have an account, or you need to get set up with your account. If at any point you need any help, there is a button for support on the bottom. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do once you enter into the platform is get all of your social media accounts linked up. As many as you are going to be using the links on, you should have those set up here. So if you're going to use links on Twitter and LinkedIn, make sure you have Twitter and LinkedIn synced here. Why? That is because you want to be able to see the performance of your individual links on different platforms when you go to the report section, which we're going to talk about later. So yes, there is no moderation, and we're not having you sync them so we can moderate your posts, but this is for your own reporting purposes in the future. Now here comes the fun part. I want you to head over to brands, and you're going to be able to start typing in different brands in the search bar that you are potentially looking for. In this case, we're going to use Macy's as an example because we're all familiar with that brand if you're in the United States. And you can see right here from the dashboard, there's a couple of things. You're going to see the amount that they're giving for the affiliate commission. And of course, that is right now in euros. If you're in the United States, don't worry about this. When you take your money out of the ConvertSocial platform, you are able to transform that into USD. But right now, because the headquarters are in Germany, you're going to see this in euros. So you have this option to kind of take a look at all of these different amounts that you see from brands. I highly encourage you not to get phased just by the numbers and still promote in integrity with what your audience is going to like and what you think you should be promoting on your social channel. Now you're going to see the button to get the link. This will actually link to the homepage of the website. So this would be more of a general link to the entire site, as it were. But don't worry, there's something very cool about ConvertSocial. We have cookies that last around 30 days on the platforms, on the websites that you're visiting, so that even if I don't buy something today, but I do it in a couple of days, you still get credit for that transaction, which is a huge asset of working with ConvertSocial, because you don't want to just only have that direct traffic. And if I'm not ready to buy, then you lose out on it. You still get that opportunity to collect your affiliate commission. But let's say that you're trying to promote something much more specifically. When you click on the brand, so we're going to click on Macy's, you can see that you have an opportunity to essentially create a unique link to a unique page. So let's say there was a dress that I wanted to link specifically to. I would pop it in on the link here and make sure that I was able to spin up a link directly to this page. Now, you have this option for tags that you see here, and I want to be specific about this. This would be if there's a nuance of a product. So let's say the dress came in white or red. You might want to create a unique link for the white dress and a unique link for the red dress using the tags feature so that you could see which one was going over better with your audience. Now, this granular level of detail might not be important for you and something that you need. You can just link them straight to the main website or to a singular product. Tags are not completely necessary. Now, you're going to see that on the right-hand side, there's an option to learn a little bit more details about this affiliate commission with this specific brand. And I always encourage you to take a look at that because there might be certain countries that are excluded from this commission or have a different set of rules. And I want to make sure that you are promoting links that you can actually get paid out for. So make sure that you're definitely taking a look at that every time you spin up a new link. Okay, so now you have your link. And you are able to start promoting this on all of your social media platforms. You can put it in your bio, stories, descriptions, blogs. And so anytime someone purchases something via your links, you'll get a commission. And so each income per transaction is really transparent for each brand. You can see it again right there on the screen. But again, make sure that you are aligning with your audience. Now, let's say you have gotten started with promoting and you want to see how well you're doing. You want to head over to the reports option on the left-hand side and see how much money you've earned and analyze all of the statistics around your promotions so that you can start to tweak and improve the performance of your links. This will not only help you get to know your audience, what they're liking and what they're not liking, but if you're trying different marketing tactics or different things, you might say, okay, clearly on my stories, I am doing much better than when I put it in my newsletter, for example. So now I want to show you how the analysis of your reports can affect your earnings. So you can see that I selected 6 brands in different niches: education, fashion, beauty, and food. And so I really want to be able to see, like, what is my audience interested in? So Skillshare, Macy's, and Kohl's converted really well. So it's more effective for me to be promoting them. And ColourPop and Banana Republic didn't perform so good. So I might not spend time promoting them in the future unless something changed. Hint converted all right, but the commission was pretty low, so we replaced it with another brand. So Fresh and Lean is something that I tried instead. And in results of that, I was able to increase my income. So you can see how you're learning all of this data and you're saying, okay, I think I need to go in this direction more. I need to pull back from this. I need to lean into this, which is really great granular data to make your efforts go as far as possible. Now, let's see how much money you made. Head over to finance and check your balance. If you have a number that is ready for withdrawal, you need at least 20 euros to be able to do that. But again, you can withdraw it in USD. You're going to want to see what you have here and submit it for withdrawal. Of course, you will need to have some sort of account attached to the platform so that you can withdraw that money. And if you don't have 20 euros yet, you'll just need to wait until you have that option. Now, you can transfer this money to your bank. That's web money, bank transfer, or PayPal. And there's no contracts or really paperwork. You only need to fill out a withdrawal form only one time, which is really swift and easy to be able to do this. Now, if you see money on hold here, that means that the brand needs to approve your sales and you're just kind of waiting or in a holding pattern for them to do that. It typically doesn't take very long for them to do that, a couple of weeks, but then eventually that will turn over into the money that you have available to withdraw, and then you're able to submit for that payment. So if you ever need more clarification on how to use ConvertSocial, again, there is the help center on the bottom, and there is a ton of different information that you can see there. And if you have additional questions, you can submit that for support so that they can get back with you. And there you have it. The simple steps to getting started. It really is as simple as syncing up your social accounts, finding the brands that you want to promote, creating links either to the main page or a direct page, promoting them, and then withdrawing your money. It really is that simple. But our time together isn't done yet. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to increase your engagement rate and your conversions using these referral links so that you can make your earnings more permanent and your career in the affiliate industry a long and profitable one.